Summerland Beach. This exceptional custom-built home is designed to entertain inside and outside. Spacious 3,234 square feet living space, 4-bed, 4.5 bath, open floor plan and ocean views from every room. 360 square feet covered open porch off of living and dining area overlooking pool and ocean. Colossal 1,000 square feet master ensuite with his and her bathrooms including steam shower and jacuzzi. 3-car garage and storage, in-ground pool with fiber optic lighting, and 1,000 square feet covered screened patio overlooking all the action. A boating enthusiast's dream with 217 of waterfront, 122 concrete dockage, heavy-duty boat lift and davit, shore power. Large yacht basin for easy turnaround. This location offers 6 control depth.